Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a beauty mail haul. I got a bunch of things in the mail recently. I have some things from PIXI, I have Urban Decay, I have Laneige, I have Glam Glow, I have a jelly highlighter. So if you guys want to see what I got recently, then just keep watching. Okay, to start off, I got this huge package in the mail from PIXI. And if you don't know where to find PIXI, you can find it at your local Target. They always go above and beyond with their PR packages, which I'm so grateful for. So this is what the packaging looks like. As you can see, it is massive, and they actually collaborated with beauty influencers on this. So there's 3 different beauty influencers that they collaborated with. So I'll show you what was in the box. The first thing I have is the Pixie and Chloe Morello lip icing. So this is a lip glow lip topper, and it is gold and sparkly and really pretty. I cannot wait to use this. A lot of these products you're going to see in an upcoming giveaway because I haven't done one in such a long time. And if you're not following me on my Instagram, which is SadieKins21, follow me on there because I'm going to be doing a giveaway on there first. The next product I have here is the Pixie and Chloe Morello. This is a look palette. So a couple of different cheek products in here. It looks like eyeshadow, and it even looks like an eyebrow trio down there. So that one's really nice. Next, we have the Pixie and Dulce Candy. This is the Cafe Con Dulce multi-use palette. So there are some blushes, highlighters. You can use these as eyeshadows. I really like this palette. We also have the Dulce's Lip Candy Lip Palette. So these are all lip colors, but you can also use these on your cheeks. I think this is going to be perfect in the summertime just for like a flush of color. Really pretty shades. And then the last one in here is the Pixie and Whaley. I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce her name, but it looks like a really nice eyeshadow palette. It's called the Dimensional Eye Creator Kit, and it also comes with a liquid liner. So I thought that was really nice. So thank you so much to Pixie for sending that over to me. Okay, moving on. Next, I have a product from New West Cosmetics, and I'm going to link this down below for you guys. Isn't this packaging so cute? It looks like a little purse, but this is a jelly highlighter, and they have 5 different shades in this. And this goes for $28. It is vegan and cruelty free. The one that I got is called Pink Luster. And I'm actually wearing this today. I got it in the mail today and I put it on, and it's really pretty. So it's exactly what I said. It is a jelly highlighter. Really cool concept. And this one is a pink, but it almost flashes like blue and purple. I'll do a swatch of it on my hand so you can see it better. And I find that applying this with a beauty blender works the best, just because it is more of like a jelly liquid consistency. But man, this is so pretty, and it's like water-based as well. So that's it right there, as you can see. And you can build this product up too. So I'm going to link this down below for you guys to check out, but if you're interested in a nice jelly highlighter, I know they have champagne shades, they have like more wild shades too, a really pretty like orange shade for the summer. I'll insert a picture of the swatches so you can see them better, but I will link this down below for you guys if you're interested in a jelly highlighter. I literally just got this in the mail about 5 minutes ago, and I'm so excited. This is from Urban Decay, and this is the first thing that I ever got from Urban Decay. So it says, "You're gonna look hot." And then on the inside is the Urban Decay Naked Heat Petite Palette. So this is what the packaging looks like. I'm actually going to a dinner with Urban Decay next week, and I cannot believe it. I feel like I'm sleeping or I'm dreaming. Like, I don't know, it's wild to me. But I'll show you what this palette looks like. And now I have an eyeshadow palette to wear. So this is the packaging. And then this is what the inside looks like. So really warm shades in there, and they are all matte. So I cannot wait to play with this, and thank you so much to Urban Decay for sending this over to me. Next, we have a moisturizer. This is from Laneige, and I received this free for review from Octoly. This is the Laneige Water Bank Moisture Cream for normal to dry skin, and it says a rich moisture cream infused with hydroionized mineral water rescues dehydrated skin by replenishing its moisture levels and strengthening skin's barrier to lock in long-lasting hydration. Leaves the smoothest skin imaginable. So I'll show you the packaging on this because it literally looks like water. It looks like it's just going to hydrate your skin. So this is what it looks like. I cannot wait to use this. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm very excited to because I'm obsessed with skincare, and I feel like this is going to be the perfect summer moisturizer. It just looks like hydration in a bottle. So I will link this down below for you guys. Alright, moving on, I have some makeup brushes here. This is the Majestic 8-piece brush set, and this is from Coastal Scents. So very affordable brushes. I believe these just released recently. So I'll show you what they look like. So this is the packaging, so a sleek black case, and it comes with 8 different brushes. These brushes are very, very soft. I find that brushes do not have to be expensive to do the job. These seriously feel so soft, and I bet they're gonna work amazing, and they are very affordable. So this is what they look like. They are black and they have the gold detailing. They're really pretty, and I can't wait to use them. I can't wait to use this one. This one looks really, really nice and fluffy for either like a blush, bronzer, or just like baking powder. I don't know, this looks really nice. So I'll link these down below as well. I should stop saying I'll link this down below because I'm saying that for everything. I'll link everything down below. Next, I have a package from Glam Glow, and they sent me a trio of their Super Mud. So this is their Super Mud clearing treatment, and they came out with jumbo sizes. So this is what it looks like. It is jumbo. This is the regular full size, which looks like this, and they also sent me a mini, but I gave that to a friend. So this is the clearing treatment. It's good for problem skin, skin imperfections, pore refining, mattifying, and clarifying. This is my favorite mask of all times. It works amazingly. If you have any breakouts or pop-up pimples or like braille tiny pimples on your face and you want to clear it up, yes. This is just the best mask ever. So thank you so much to Glam Glow. And they also have the jumbo size in a bunch of different masks too. Oh, I got a bracelet. This is from the brand Nogu. I think I'm pronouncing that right. And this is a really beautiful bracelet. They have different ones for different meanings, but this one's a dog one. And I will put this in the description box down below. I received this free for review from Octoly. And this is a dog paw, which is so cute. As you guys can see, it has a dog print on it, and this is a silver one, but they have it in silver, rose gold, and gold. So I got the silver one. I'm hoping that I'm not gonna be allergic to it because I'm allergic to silver, but I think it should be fine on my wrist. But I think this is so meaningful, and I love dogs. Dogs are my favorite thing, more than humans. So I really love this bracelet. So I think it's really, really pretty, very elegant, very dainty, and I just love the little dog paw. All right, next I got something from the Balm Cosmetics. So they recently released their Ferocious Eyebrow Pencil with Spoolie. So I have a bunch of different shades here. So I have blonde, light brown, and dark brown. I'm probably gonna throw dark brown in a giveaway, but this is what it looks like. I love the packaging of the Balm. It's always very creative and cute. So I have these, and I have been trying out the blonde one, and I really like it. It's a very soft pencil, and it just looks very natural. And they also sent me their Nude Dude Volume 2 eyeshadow palette. And I never had the Nude Dude Volume 1, so I'm happy to have this one. All of the guys in here are like naked, but it is such cute packaging, and these are very natural shades in here. It definitely looks like my type of palette. So thank you to the Balm for sending this over to me. Next, I have a product from Clarins. This is the Hydra Essentiel Moisture Replenishing Lip Balm with Blue Lotus Wax. Again, obsessed with this blue packaging. It is so beautiful, and I've actually been using this every night, and it's making my lips so hydrated and smooth. And as most of you know, I do get my lips done, so in the wintertime they tend to be a lot more drier, and I've been loving this product. So definitely would recommend. It says apply to lips as often as needed. I usually do it in the nighttime, and I love it. So I'll link this down below. Really good product if you want moisture in your lips. All right, the last package I have here is from Thera Box. So this is basically like a therapeutic box that's gonna make you happy. If you are a stressed person, if you have anxiety, if you are depressed, you might really like this box, to be honest, because it's a very uplifting box. It's supposed to make you happy, which it really did make me happy. So this is the inside of the box. So it has a thing in here that says ingredient list, theme, self-love. It says, perhaps we should love ourselves so fiercely that when others see us, they know exactly how it should be done. And then it says everything that's in here. Very nice. So it also has some cute quotes in here. And then it has a self-care wheel. Self-care is giving the world the best of you instead of what's left of you. I really like this. So there's a mug in here, which has a nice quote on it. It says, close your eyes and imagine the best version of you possible. That's who you really are. Let go of any part of you that doesn't believe it. I I really like that, and it has little eyelashes on it. This is a bath oil, so a French Neroli Rose bath oil. That's pretty cool. It has like roses in it. It has a foot mask in here. It's Monthly New Feet, and it's a sock pack. Very cool. Home foot care, orange oil peeling. What? This seems cool. It has a soy candle in here. It's a 4-ounce crystal infused soy candle. Next, there's the Barefoot Lake perfume. It's an all-natural perfume. It has water, sunflower oil, lavender in it. So that's nice as well. Oh, this smells so good. This smells just like aromatherapy, like essential oils. It smells really, really nice. We also have, what is this? Smooch's Cinnamon Plumping Lip Scrub. Yes, say no more. And then we also have the Apricot Stick, which is like a lip balm, and this smells really, really good. I like this a lot. So that is everything that's in the Thera Box. I will link that down below. Okay, so that was everything that I got in the mail recently. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will link everything down below in the description box, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.